Hey praisers and savers, today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Publix app to save hundreds of dollars each month. Now I know a lot of you think, oh my gosh, I never shop at Publix because it's so expensive, but it really isn't. With the buy one get one free deals, the coupons they provide you on the Publix app, and all the rebate apps that we have available to us, I save the most money at Publix. More money than I would save buying at a big box store like Walmart, Costco, or Sam's. So in this video, I'll be showing you just how to use that Publix app and how to save money and how I sometimes get some deals by just going on the app. So the first thing I need you guys to do is to make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. It helps me a ton when you guys do those things. When you engage in my channel, it always helps. Also, click that notification bell to all so you know when all of my videos are coming out. So I'm going to be showing you in this video what to do with the Publix app. So get your phones out, be ready to do some learning. Let's go. By far, Publix is my favorite app for saving money. They have the best digital coupons, and you're able to locate a lot of different savings, not just with their coupons, but their in-store savings, and also the savings that you might find in the flyer that you find at the front of the store. So let me show you how to use the Publix app. Of course, whenever you make your account, you are going to set yourself up by putting in your information and your phone number. And when you go to the register, you'll put your phone number in at the register. That's how you're able to take the coupons off of your account and apply them to your savings. So at the very bottom, we're going to look at savings. Click on that, and you'll see that you have the weekly ad, BOGOs, extra savings, digital coupons, all deals. So we're going to click on the digital coupons. All right. When you click on the digital coupons, you'll see all the different categories. But what I like to do is I like to click View All. Now, when you click View All, it's going to give you all of the coupons. And my rule is always, if there is coupons, I go ahead and clip those coupons. Because if you don't clip those coupons, then they will go away, and you don't want that to happen. Now, one thing about these coupons is sometimes it's only for specific items. So I like to go to the coupon, click on it, and make sure that I'm reading the correct type of item. So this is the Colgate Total Toothpaste, 3 ounce or larger, and the mouthwash, 500 milliliter or larger. So I want to make sure I'm using the correct coupon and getting the correct item. The great thing about the Publix app is if you scroll down, they now have eligible items that you can apply this coupon. And I always go to this because sometimes it may be like a really cheap item that applies to it as well. So if I go to it, then I can click on the actual item and it says it applies. And then I can find it in the store. It tells me right there it's on aisle 6. So this is just an easy way for you to organize how you are couponing. Okay, so I want to give you a little scenario. Right now in our house, we're low on dishwashing detergent. So in the search products or savings at the very top, I'm going to type in Finish. That's the dishwashing detergent I use. So put that in and click search. At the very top, you're going to have products and you're also going to have savings. I love looking at both of those, but right now I'm clicked on savings. So right now I know that I have 1, 2, 3 coupons for different types of Finish detergent. And if I scroll further down, I can see that I do have a sale going on right now on Finish detergent. It's buy 2, get 1 free. So in order to maximize my savings, I want to see if this sale for buy 2, 1, get 1 free is also part of those coupons. So let's click on that item. There it is. Okay, that's 11 count, 14 count, or 18 count bags. I'm saving $5.99. So essentially, I'll get all 3 bags for $12. So let's go back and let's see if any of these coupons will attach. They do. So this $2 coupon attached to that one we just saw. So that would work. Let's see about the other ones. Again, this $2 coupon will attach. And there's another $3 coupon at the bottom. Let's see if this one works as well. This $3 coupon is not going to work for that buy two, get one free. So that's fine. We don't need that. But what we're going to do, we're going to pick up 3 bags of the Finish. That total will be $18. But remember, we're going to get one for free. So that'll bring your total down to $12. Then we're going to use one of those $2 coupons and another $2 coupon. Because we're buying 3 bags, we can use up to 3 of those coupons. So our total is going to come down to $8 for all 3 bags, which is a great deal. And of course, I'm going to head on over to my favorite app, IBOTTA, to check to see if there's any of the IBOTTA rebates on there that could apply as well. That's a really good deal. And I just found that just by playing here on the app. That's how I find my deals. In addition to that, if you look on the top left, there's an emblem that says products. Click on that. And this can go through and shows you all of the different products that they have that deal with Finish. Because if you are particular, if you just want the Quantum style Finish or the Power, you can look and see all the different types of products that have Finish in the name at that store. So this is a really great way to be able to filter some of the things that you're doing. Now, I want to point out that when you are looking at the savings, you can also see the green savings flyer coupons. So the very first coupon that you see there for Band-Aids says paper coupon. You could print that right now to your printer at home if you wanted to go ahead and have it in hand. Or you can just pick up the flyer when you walk into the store at Publix. But having this $2 coupon right there shows me that I can get this item here for $2 off, and I'll just read the restrictions on that. Now, this $2 coupon can be used in conjunction with this coupon here. So if I were able to pick up $25 worth of product, and, part of this here, $25 worth of product there, that $10 will come off at the register because it's a threshold coupon. So in addition to that, any items that this works for, I could use a $2 off for each of those items. So if I wanted to, I could get $25 worth of Neosporin and Band-Aids, $25 worth of Neosporin and Band-Aids, use that $10 coupon that's going to apply. Then I can use these $2 coupons. Now, the rule of thumb at Publix is you can use up to 8 of the same coupon. 8 like coupons. So if I were to buy 8 boxes of Band-Aids, and I could use this $2 coupon up to 8 times. So it would be $16 off. So it just might be a really, really good deal for you to do that. So anytime you're wondering if it's in the extra savings flyer, always put the product name in and you'll see it listed. Now, I do want to point out on the Publix app, at the very top is the weekly ad. Click on that. And you're able to see all the different types of things in the weekly ad and get a sneak peek of next week's ad. Clicking on this week's ad, I can see all the things in the ad, what is on sale this week, and I can go ahead and make my list right from here so I'm not missing anything. So as I'm seeing, I like that item, that's a good item, I have a coupon for it, or an IBOTTA rebate, I could go through and just add things to my list to create a grocery list. I also can look at the visual of it and slide it over and go to the various items to see what's on sale. So this is a great, great way to keep yourself organized. Make sure you're getting exactly what you want to get. You're going in the store and you're coming out the store and you're not spending a bunch of money on things you don't need. So, all great ways to save money. Then when you're done, at the bottom you can see where your list is. And with that list, when you've made your list, it will show you the items that you have made in that list with various coupons for and where to find those items. All right, guys, that is all I have for you today. I hope you're able to save money at Publix like I do for my entire family. Publix is my absolute favorite store to shop at, using digital coupons, rebate apps, and the weekly sales. Let me know in the comments your favorite store, and I'll try to make a video doing that store as well. I hope you guys have a blessed rest of the week, and don't forget to watch me on the Publix video on Wednesday, where I'll break down some great deals for you guys. Thanks.